Our bodies are complex machines, intricately designed and meticulously maintained. We are made up of trillions of cells, each one a bustling metropolis of activity, constantly working to keep us alive and well. To keep this intricate machinery running smoothly, we need a constant supply of fuel and building materials, much like a city needs resources to thrive. This is where vitamins come in, acting as essential components that our bodies cannot produce on their own. Vitamins are like the spark plugs of our cells, essential for countless biochemical reactions that keep us alive and thriving, ensuring that every cellular process runs efficiently. Among these microscopic powerhouses is vitamin B5, also known as pantothenic acid, a vital nutrient that plays a key role in our health. The name pantothenic comes from the Greek word pantothen, meaning from everywhere, signifying its widespread presence in various foods. And indeed, vitamin B5 is found in a wide variety of foods, highlighting its crucial role in life. From avocados to eggs and vegetables to whole grains, this vitamin is abundant in our diet. Without it, our cells would grind to a halt, unable to perform the basic tasks needed for survival. The absence of vitamin B5 would lead to a catastrophic failure in cellular functions. Imagine a world without vitamin B5. Our cells would be starved of energy, unable to metabolize fats or synthesize essential molecules. Organs would fail and the body would be unable to sustain life. The importance of this vitamin cannot be overstated. Life as we know it would cease to exist, underscoring the critical nature of vitamin B5 in our daily lives. Thankfully, vitamin B5 is readily available in our diet, ensuring the smooth functioning of our cellular orchestra. By consuming a balanced diet, we can easily meet our daily requirements. In this exploration, we'll delve into the fascinating world of vitamin B5, uncovering its secrets and understanding its profound impact on our health and well-being. From its role in energy production to its involvement in synthesizing vital compounds, vitamin B5 is indispensable. Join me on this journey as we uncover the wonders of this often overlooked yet essential nutrient and learn how it supports our body's incredible machinery. To truly appreciate the elegance of vitamin B5, we must journey into the realm of molecules, where the magic of life begins. Here, atoms bond together in intricate dances to form the building blocks of life, creating a symphony of interactions that sustain our very existence. Don't worry, we won't get lost in a thicket of complex chemical formulas. Instead, we'll break it down into simpler concepts that are easy to grasp. We'll use the language of shapes and structures to understand how this molecule functions, making the complex world of chemistry more accessible. Picture vitamin B5 as a tiny three-dimensional puzzle, each piece fitting perfectly to form a functional whole. It consists of two main parts, pantoic acid and B-alanine, joined together by a chemical link called an amide bond. This bond is crucial for the molecule's stability and function. Pantoic acid, with its central carbon atom and branching arms, resembles a miniature tree, providing a sturdy framework for the molecule. B-alanine, on the other hand, is a simpler structure, a short chain of atoms with a slightly negative charge, adding a unique characteristic to the molecule. This unique shape is no accident. It's a result of millions of years of evolution, fine-tuning the molecule for its specific roles in the body. It's the key to vitamin B5's remarkable ability to interact with other molecules in our cells, facilitating essential biochemical processes. Think of it like a key fitting into a lock. The specific shape of vitamin B5 allows it to bind to certain enzymes, unlocking their potential. The specific shape of vitamin B5 allows it to bind to certain enzymes, acting as a catalyst for crucial biochemical reactions. These reactions are vital for energy production and overall cellular function. Understanding the structure of vitamin B5 is like learning the alphabet of a new language. Each component and its arrangement tell a story of function and purpose. It provides the foundation for comprehending its diverse roles in the intricate symphony of our metabolism, from synthesizing coenzyme A to breaking down fats and carbohydrates. So let's delve deeper into the fascinating world of vitamin B5 and explore how this tiny molecule orchestrates the grand process of life, ensuring our bodies function smoothly and efficiently. We've explored the molecular architecture of vitamin B5, but what does it actually do in our bodies? The answer, as with many things in biology, is both complex and fascinating. Vitamin B5 is like a versatile tool, essential for a wide range of cellular processes. Think of it as a master key that unlocks multiple doors in the intricate machinery of our cells. One of its primary functions is to help our bodies produce coenzyme A, or CoA. CoA is like a busy worker bee, shuttling molecules called acyl groups around the cell. These acyl groups are essential for many metabolic reactions, including the breakdown of carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. Without CoA, our cells would be like factories without conveyor belts, unable to transport materials efficiently. But vitamin B5's talents don't end there. It's also involved in the synthesis of essential fats, cholesterol, and steroid hormones. These molecules play vital roles in cell structure, energy storage, and communication between cells. Imagine a city without roads, buildings, or postal service. That's life without these essential molecules, and vitamin B5 is crucial for their production. In essence, vitamin B5 is a silent orchestrator, ensuring the smooth functioning of countless cellular processes. From energy production to hormone synthesis, its influence is far-reaching and indispensable for life. Section 4, The Circle of Life, exploring the synthesis and metabolism of pantothenic acid. We've seen how vital vitamin B5 is, but where does it come from? The answer, thankfully, is that we're not entirely dependent on our diet for this essential nutrient. Our bodies, in their remarkable efficiency, can actually synthesize small amounts of vitamin B5. This process takes place in our gut, thanks to the helpful bacteria that reside there. These microscopic allies use building blocks from other molecules to create pantothenic acid, demonstrating the interconnectedness of life even at the smallest scale. However, the amount produced by our gut bacteria isn't sufficient to meet our body's demands. That's why it's essential to consume vitamin B5 through our diet. Once consumed, it's absorbed into our bloodstream and transported to cells throughout the body. Inside the cells, it undergoes a series of transformations, ultimately forming coenzyme A and participating in other metabolic pathways. Think of it like a well-coordinated relay race. Vitamin B5 is passed from molecule to molecule, each step carefully orchestrated to ensure its efficient utilization and the smooth functioning of our cellular machinery. This intricate dance of synthesis, absorption, and transformation highlights the elegant efficiency of our biological processes. Section 5. Fueling the human engine, vitamin B5 and its role in energy production. Energy is the lifeblood of our cells, powering every thought, movement, and breath we take. Without energy, our cells would be unable to perform the myriad of functions that keep us alive and thriving. From the simplest cellular processes to the most complex bodily functions, energy is the driving force. And at the heart of this energy production lies a remarkable molecule called ATP. The cellular currency of energy, ATP, or adenosine triphosphate, is essential for storing and transferring energy in cells. It acts like a rechargeable battery, providing the necessary power for cellular activities. But how does our body generate this vital fuel? The process is intricate and involves multiple steps and components working in harmony. It's a fascinating journey that begins with the nutrients we consume and ends with the production of ATP. The answer in part lies with vitamin B5. Also known as pantothenic acid, this vitamin is crucial for synthesizing coenzyme A, CoA, a key player in energy metabolism. Remember coenzyme A, that busy worker bee shuttling molecules around the cell? CoA is indispensable in the biochemical pathways that generate energy, acting as a carrier for acyl groups in metabolic reactions. Well, CoA plays a starring role in a fundamental metabolic pathway called the citric acid cycle, also known as the Krebs cycle. This cycle is a series of chemical reactions used by all aerobic organisms to release stored energy. This cycle, occurring within the powerhouses of our cells, the mitochondria, is a central hub for energy production. Mitochondria are often referred to as the cell's power plants because they generate most of the cell's supply of ATP. Here's how it works. CoA helps transport breakdown products of carbohydrates, fats, and proteins into the citric acid cycle. These macronutrients are broken down into smaller molecules that enter the cycle, where they are further processed to release energy. Think of it like feeding logs into a furnace. Just as logs provide fuel for a fire, these molecules provide fuel for the citric acid cycle, which in turn generates energy for the cell. These molecules are then broken down further, releasing energy that's used to generate ATP. This process is known as cellular respiration, and it's how our cells convert biochemical energy from nutrients into ATP. Without CoA, this energy-producing cycle would sputter and stall, leaving our cells starved for fuel. The absence of CoA would disrupt the entire metabolic process, leading to a lack of energy and impaired cellular function. Vitamin B5, through its role in CoA synthesis, ensures the smooth operation of this vital energy-producing pathway. By facilitating the production of CoA, vitamin B5 helps maintain the efficiency and effectiveness of cellular energy metabolism. It's like the conductor of an orchestra, ensuring that all the instruments are playing in sync to create a harmonious symphony of energy production. Just as a conductor brings together different sections of an orchestra to produce beautiful music, vitamin B5 harmonizes various metabolic processes to ensure our cells have the energy they need.